Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave easy method. Crack 2 large eggs into a microwave-safe bowl, add 2 tablespoons milk, a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk until blended. Microwave on high for 30 seconds, stir, then microwave another 20 to 30 seconds until softly set. Let rest for 30 seconds, fluff with a fork, and serve warm with toast. Enjoy. Use a larger bowl to avoid spills and reduce mess when the eggs expand in the microwave. For creamier eggs, add 1 tablespoon cream cheese or an extra tablespoon of milk and whisk thoroughly. Fold in chopped herbs, shredded cheese, or cooked vegetables after microwaving. If cooking for more than 2 people, prepare in separate bowls to ensure even cooking. Always cover loosely with a microwave-safe lid or plate to prevent splatter. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more quick kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs nicely with morning routines and kitchen timers. I've placed a link and other deals in the description below so you can check them out. Enjoy! Thanks again, now let's get back to the video. Check the eggs for doneness by ensuring they are set but still moist. Overcooking makes them rubbery. Use a food thermometer if desired. Eggs should reach 160 degrees F for safety. Cool slightly before serving to avoid burns, and wipe the bowl edge to remove hot splatters. Store leftovers in the refrigerator within 2 hours and consume within 3 days. Reheat gently in 15-second bursts to avoid drying out the eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.